In this video, I want to give you a quick review of the ChartGuide indicator. I'll show you how to use it and explain its main functions. So let's begin. We're using the indicator on Solana, which is a crypto asset, and the time frame is 4 hours. I'll now turn it on in the chart. As you can see, the indicator gives us buy signals, exit signals, and shows the take profit and stop loss levels. It also filters out trades when the market is going down, so it avoids trading during downtrends. Alright, so let's take a look at the settings of the indicator real quick. First, we've got the multiplier. This setting depends on the asset you're trading. By default, it's set to 11, but in our optimization video, we explain which number works best for different assets. For example, on Solana with the 4-hour chart, the best setting is 30, so we'll go ahead and set it to that. Now, if the multiplier is low, you'll get more false signals. If it's high, it'll filter out more of those false signals, which is great, but you might also miss some good trade opportunities. So here's a quick tip. If you're trading on lower time frames, like the 5-minute or 15-minute, go with a higher multiplier to avoid all the noise. And if you're on higher time frames, like the 1-hour, 4-hour, or daily, you can use a lower multiplier to catch more setups. Now, in this case, we're actually doing the opposite. We're using a high multiplier on a higher time frame, 30 on the 4-hour chart. That's only because our backtest results showed it works best specifically for Solana. So this is kind of an exception. Normally, you'd go with a lower setting on 4H, but for Solana, 30 performs better. Then there's the Show TP and SL Levels option. When this is on, the chart shows you where to take profit and where to place your stop loss. Super useful for managing your risk if a trade moves against you. And if you want a cleaner chart, you can turn on Show SL Only, which just displays the stop loss line and hides the take profit levels. We'll come to this later in the video. In that case, you'll just exit the whole position when the exit label appears and you won't be using any take profits. You can actually use this indicator in two different ways depending on your trading style. 1. Low risk method. This one is for people who want to play it safe. First, in the settings, you'll want to turn on Show TP and SL Levels. This will show you exactly where to take profits and where to place your stop loss. So you enter a trade when the buy signal appears. You set your stop loss at the level the indicator gives you. It'll also show you 3 take profit levels. At the first one, you close 30% of your position. At the second and third, you close 20% each. Once that first take profit is hit, you move your stop loss to your entry price. That way, worst case, you break even on the rest, and best case, you make more profit. Then when the exit label shows up, you close the last 30% of the trade. From our back tests, we saw that the stop loss barely gets hit because the exit label usually catches the reversal early and closes the trade before things go bad. So this method really helps with risk management. There's also a second method to use the ChartGuide indicator, and that's the high-risk, high-reward method. For this one, you'll go into the settings and turn off Show TP and SL Levels, and then turn on Show SL Only. This setup is for traders who don't want to scale out at different take-profit levels. Instead, you enter the trade when the buy signal appears, set your stop loss at the suggested level, and then just hold the position until the exit label shows up. That's when you close the whole trade. No partial exits, no multiple take profits, just one full entry and one full exit. This method can bring bigger rewards, but it also comes with more risk. Now, the nice part is you don't need to constantly watch the chart. You can just set up alerts so you'll know exactly when to buy, when to take profit, and when to exit the trade. You'll get a notification when there's a buy signal, when one of the take profit levels is hit if you're using the low risk method, and when the exit label appears. We've got a full alert setup video that shows you exactly how to set it up step by step. It's super helpful and makes trading way more efficient. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope this helped you understand how the ChartGuide indicator works and how you can use it in different ways depending on your trading style. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you've got any questions, just ask in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Also, join our free Discord. We're active there and happy to help you out even more. And if you want to get access to the ChartGuide indicator, just visit our website. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.